Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use the Luvele Breeze Dehydrator. I'm going to make some strawberry fruit roll-ups or fruit leather. It's so easy and super quick. Let's get straight into it. To make the fruit leather, you're going to need some of these silicone mats. If you don't have any, then you can find them on the website. We're also going to use the Vibe blender to blend up our strawberries. So to fill up 4 of these silicone mats, we're going to use 750 grams of fresh strawberries or around 3 punnets. If you can get your hands on organic ones, then even better. Otherwise, we're going to give these a really good wash, get them really nice and dry and chop them up. Use a clean cloth to pat the strawberries dry, getting rid of any excess moisture. Then all you need to do is take the green part off and get them straight into the blender. If you like, at this point you can add a little bit more sweetness. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of honey, but you could use maple syrup or even coconut sugar. We'll also add a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to blend this all up on smoothie mode for around 40 seconds or until it's really nice and smooth. Once it's all blended up, you can get the silicone mats laid out onto the dehydrator trays, ready to pour the mix straight from the blender jug. Pour the mix into the silicone mats evenly and then spread it all the way to the edges. You can give the trays a bit of a tap on the bench to release any air bubbles and then load them straight back onto the machine. We're going to set the time and temperature to 10 hours at 50 degrees. These are looking really good. I can tell that they're nice and dry all over. If they're not quite dry yet, then you can put the machine back on for another couple of hours. But these look good to me, so I'm going to show you how to peel them off. So to peel the fruit leather off of the mat, make sure that you take your time so that you can get it all off in one piece. You can kind of use the mat to ease away from the leather rather than pulling the leather away from the mat. Otherwise you'll get some tears. Once they're off of the mats, I'm just going to get some kitchen scissors and cut them into strips and roll them up with some baking paper. That's going to make it really easy to store, especially for lunch boxes, so that they don't stick together. So that's another way to use your Breeze Dehydrator to make yourself some healthy snacks. The kids will love these, you're gonna love these. We hope you give it a go at home, and if you do, then let us know how you go in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it today, and we'll catch you again next time for another recipe.